Well, g'day there, and thank you for watching. Over the last few years, I've enjoyed the Soup Kitchen net. It's a net that runs on 2 metres single sideband, and during the week they also run nets on 70 centimetres single sideband. Here's a little bit of how it sounds on 2 metres.
We stayed at Mushroom Rocks, and then we hiked up to the summit, and there was an almighty thunderstorm up there, and then we must have got back all downhill. We must have got back down to the car park the following day in one hit. Moving away from us. There's rain, and you've got about a second minute.
Saying that you were a week before, but the transfer thing sounds good. You should put one of these bricks behind it that you have. The right at the end, or you could say at the antenna end of the system. But I had to just to give it just a little bit of a tweak of the output as well. I think the sun has sort of pushed out again some stuff up there, and maybe it is related to that. I don't know, but I do get this on 2 metres here.
2 metres single sideband is a lot of fun. While some rigs take a little while to heat up and stay on frequency, it's a lot of fun.
Another 6 Smith one just to pimp it up a little bit, I guess. But yeah, now sounds good with the 756 for sure.
If this is something you haven't done before but want to, I'd recommend it. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe as it really helps.